Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Last period we have learned about the poem Don't Give Up. I hope you have understood this poem. Today we are going to learn reading comprehension. So let us see. Let us solve the question answer. Reading comprehension. Question number A. Tick the correct answer. First, the poet advises us to be. In this poem, the poet advises, the options are given here. Options are: first, strong and successful; second, patience and don't give up; third one, hardworking and honest; fourth, patience and lazy. In this poem, the poet is giving the advice we should have to keep patience and never give up. Don't give up. Okay, the correct answer is second one. So we have to tick on the second circle. Next, the poet talks about the birds because options are: their wings are weak. Second option, they fly higher every time. Third options, they learn to fly after several tries. Fourth one, they have feather on their bodies. The correct answer is here. The poet is talking about the birds because they learn to fly after several tries. The correct answer is third number. They are trying not one time, they are again and again after failing or after failure, they again and again trying to fly and take long distance. Next, third, the poet believes easy wins. Options are: don't mean much. Second, make people admire you. Third one, are sweeter. Fourth option is here, help make friends. The poet believes easy wins. No, the poet is telling here, you do not success, you do not get satisfaction if you are easily wins. The correct answer is here, don't mean much. It means if you are winning easily by defeating someone, there is no mean much. You will not getting much satisfaction after doing easy wins. Let us see the question B. Read these lines and answer the questions that follow. You are given the poem's lines. With the help of these lines, we have to find the question's answer. See the lines. She has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. She has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. These lines has taken from the poem. Question first A. Who is she? She is mentioned is here about the strong, sturdy oak tree. Let us see the answer. She is referred about oak tree. Means sturdy tree. Sturdy means strong tree. In this line that mention about the oak tree that is too strong. B. What does the wind do to her? Answer. The wind tries to bend down. What does the wind do with the trees? The wind tries to bend down means break down the oak tree. Try to bow down means they have to break the tree. C question. How does she rise again? Answer. The oak tree rises again and grown loftier and prouder. The question is here, how does she rise again? How does the tree grow again? The oak tree rises again and grown loftier. Loftier means higher and prouder. Loftier means here higher, growing taller and prouder. Next line, that is the test that tries you. With the help of this line, we have to find the question's answer. A question, what does that refer to? The test that is the biggest challenge for you. That is refer here. That is the biggest challenge for you. Question B, do you think it is easy to try again after failing? Answer, it is not easy to try again after failing because when we fail at something, we are full of hurt and disappointment. It is not easy, it is not simple to try again after failing. Try again to achieve the success. So we should have to try, but it is not easy to try again after failing because when we fail at something, we are full of hurt. We are getting unpleasant. We are feeling unpleasant and getting disappointment. C question. Do you think it is easier to succeed after failing at something? Is it easy to move towards success when you fell down? You are failing at something. Answer, it is not easier to succeed after failing at something because failure is like a defeat. Failure is like a defeat. So, gaining victory from a defeat is really challenge. Gaining victory, it's a challenge us. Let us see the question number C. Answer these questions. Question first, why does the poet not want us to stop for crying? Answer, the poet does not want us to stop for crying because there is no point in doing so and wasting time feeling sorry for yourself. The poet is telling here it's your wasting of time. It is wasting of time to doing so much like this. Wasting time of feeling sorry for yourself. So poet is telling you should have to stop. Next, sorry for yourself. All the great and good things in life are accomplished. Whatever happening in your life, great or good or bad, means it is compulsory to everyone. It will be happen in their life. So we have to accept this incident with patiently trying again and again. Next question, how is all that is good and great done? How it is happening, good or bad in our life? How? All that is good and great is done by patiently trying. Means how should we have to behave when the good or bad thing happen in our life? We should have to keep patience and try. Next, third, how do birds become better flyers with time? Answer, birds become better players with time because their wings grow stronger. Did you get these questions? How do birds become better flyers with time? As per the time, all the birds, all the things or birds, animals, how they move with the time, how they live with the time. Answer, the birds become better players with time because their wings grow stronger. The birds are moving with the time because they are strong. Their wings are growing stronger. Means they are keeping their confidence more stronger. Okay. Fourth, who has risen to become loftier and prouder? Answer, the sturdy tree has grown loftier and prouder. Who has risen? Who is getting up? Who's moving? Become higher and prouder? The sturdy tree. The oak tree has grown loftier. Loftier means getting taller, getting higher and prouder. Fifth, what does the poet feel about succeeding without being challenged? Answer, if one succeeds without being challenged, then it is not something that is worthy of admiration. Did you get this question? What does the poet feel about succeeding? How did the poet feel after getting success without being challenged? If you're not accepting the challenge, the success will be not value. That your success will not get value if you not accept the challenge. If you're not doing this without hard work, without confidence, the success will not be, you will not feel the success. Answer, if one succeeds without being challenged, then it is not something that is worthy of admiration. If you are achieving your success without challenge, there is no value of your work. There is no value of your admiration. Nobody will value to your success because you are getting easily. You are not accepting the challenge. So nobody will value yours admiration or yours success. Nobody will admire you. Did you get this answer? So all of you write this question answer in your notebook and try to complete. Read and learn the question answer. You have to read the question answer more and more times to know better answer. Okay, dear kids.